Check this out! This site can pay you 20 cents for free, and you can do this for unlimited times. All you need to do is grab a link and copy and paste it on the website. This way, you can get paid 5 times or more, and you can do it every 20 seconds. This requires no selling, the process is simple, and anyone can do this. It might not get you rich, but you can just do it in your spare time and make some extra income. If you stick with me until the end of this video, I will even show you how to set everything on autopilot so you can make passive income without doing any hard work.
Hey there! Welcome back to another money-making video from Investment Spot, where we teach you guys how to go from earning nothing to earning money as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let's start making money.
So step number 1 is you need to come over to idplr.com. This is a website with over 12,590 plus PLR products which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. I promise you that we will not be selling anything, and because of that, there's some other feature on this website that pays you 2 cents for free again and again. And I will show you how you can use it properly in order to make $1 every 20 seconds. Anyways, what PLR actually stands for is Private Labeled Rights, which means that people who sign up to this website for free can grab ebooks and courses on this site for free, can also get full rights to resell them, modify them, or give them out for free. So basically, they have full rights to do anything they like with those products. So these products come with many different licenses, which is really great. But that's not what you are interested in. That's not how you are gonna make $1 every 20 seconds. Anyways, your first step is to just come over to idplr.com and register an account for absolutely free. You can do so by clicking on this button where it says register for free. That will open up another page. So let it load up and click on free members because obviously you want to sign up for free. You don't want to pay anything, so now just click on here where it says click here to register for free. You will then need to enter some basic information like your first name, your last name, and email address, and you will create your free account. Now let me quickly log in to my account. So you can see here how it looks like. Step number 2, once you register for free and you log into your account, you will need to scroll all the way down and click on this where it says affiliates. Don't worry, this won't be complicated at all. You will not be selling anything, nor do your referrals need to pay for anything. Rather, you will be giving away something for free, and you will be able to set it up on complete autopilot. So stick with me until the end of this video. So you can see, make money by giving away our free membership access. You can earn 2 cents each time someone signs up for free using your referral link. So if you share your referral link, they need to sign up as well. They don't need to spend any money at all, and you will still get paid 2 cents from each of them signing up. And don't worry, I will explain in detail what you need to do and how to set your referral signups on autopilot. Take note, your commissions will not end here. Once they sign up for free, some of them might even upgrade and buy a gold membership, from which you can make 35% commissions from their membership. But anyways, let's just focus on these free signups because that's gonna be easier for making $1 every 20 seconds in passive income. So for now, you just want to read more about it. So you can come over to here and you can read more about it. If you want to, you can read more about it on this page, and we will go on to step number 3. Step number 3, once you come over to this affiliate page and you've read more about it, now it's time to grab your affiliate link. There are going to be 2 different ways you can grab your affiliate link, with ClickBank, or if you can't sign up to ClickBank, don't worry, because they have an alternative for that as well, and I will show it later to you in this video. This works worldwide, and anyone can grab an affiliate link for this, even if you are not in a ClickBank member. But if you are a ClickBank member, you can just come over to clickbank.com and you can sign up for absolutely free. Just click on the sign up button right here. It's really easy and it's really simple, and all you need to do is enter your country right here, Input your first name, your last name, and your phone number, email address, your password, and then you can create an account for absolutely free, and you can grab your affiliate link right here. So that is the first option. You can just enter your ClickBank username here, just enter the username, click create, and they're gonna give you your unique affiliate link. But if you can't sign up onto ClickBank, all you need to do is to scroll down a little bit and you're gonna be able to see this. So if you're unable to use ClickBank, or if your country is not able to use ClickBank for some other reason, then please contact us. So all you need to do is to click on the create a support ticket right here. You can contact them and tell them that you cannot sign up to ClickBank, and they can actually provide you with your unique affiliate link, even if you are not able to sign up to ClickBank Affiliate Marketplace. But as I said, if you are able to sign up to ClickBank, it's gonna be a lot easier. All you need to do is you need to create an account and ClickBank and enter your username right here. Step number 4, once you grab your affiliate link either from ClickBank or from the idplr.com directly, you just want to make sure that your link is now shorter, and you can do so by going over to bit.ly.com. Once you grab your affiliate link, you can come over here to bit.ly.com and you can shorten it. All you need to do is just place your long affiliate link right here. Just paste it here, click shorten, and you can now copy this. So you can see it is the same link and it is still gonna take them to the same place or website. It is still your affiliate link, but now shorter, where people are most likely to click on. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money-making videos for you guys. Now let's get back to the video. Step number 5. This is the way to put your shortened link in order to make $1 in 20 seconds again and again. There are going to be 3 different options from which you can choose from. The 2 of them are free but require some work. One option is not free, it's gonna cost only a couple of dollars, but you will not have to do any of the work. Plus, it will make you earn money on autopilot. But let's start with the first free option. The first free option, which might be the hardest one, is to go over to YouTube and search for a keyword. For example, how to lose weight. Let's go with that niche. You can filter your videos and search by Creative Commons, and that gives you the license to re-upload other people's videos. So you can, for example, take this video with you. You can copy its link or URL, then go to some YouTube to MP4 service, convert it, and download it to your computer. You can then re-upload that to YouTube and leave your affiliate link in the description. At the top of the description, tell people that they can sign up for free and grab different courses and different ebooks related to losing weight, because there are many different categories on idplr.com. And there are free products for each of those categories, which is really great. And since people love watching those types of videos on a specific topic, you know they are more likely to take action and grab those free courses, because once again, they don't have to pay for anything, and it's something they are interested in. So why not? Also, those type of links will easily get thousands of users, sometimes even millions of views. But even if you get thousands of views, you are making 2 cents per each free sign up. You can post those videos once and then relax, because they will stay on YouTube forever, and you will keep making your pure passive income in the next few months or even a year. So that was the first option. The second option is not free, but it's a lot easier and it will probably get you the best results. And that's to leverage influencer marketing by using Shoutcart.com. Shoutcart.com is a place where you can buy shoutouts from people that run big social media pages in any niche and category. So for example, you can buy a shoutout on a page with over hundreds and thousands of followers for a specific amount of money. So you can put your affiliate link in front of hundreds and thousands of people. And the best part is that you are not selling them anything. You are just offering them free products, so you are easily gonna get loads of signups. Even if you get only 100 signups out of, let's say, 400,000 people, you will still make your money back and you will make some profits. If you get only 1,000 signups, that's over $200, and so on and so forth. You can then use that money to reinvest and buy more shoutouts from different pages and repeat the same process again and again. So it's like a snowball effect, and it literally takes you less than 10 minutes to place your order here and just place your affiliate link in the order box. After that, you can relax and enjoy your passive profits. So if you have 5 to 10 bucks to invest, feel free to use Shoutcart in order to make money on autopilot. But if you don't have 5 to 10 dollars to start investing here, then just use the free option first to start making some money and then reinvest that money into this shoutcart.com. Anyways, the last option for promoting your affiliate link for free in order to collect free signups is to just join many different Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or start replying to tweets on Twitter, or use any other social media platform to promote it. It is super easy because you are once again not selling anything. You are providing people with a free digital asset from which they can benefit. Inside of different Facebook groups, you can reach millions of people that are interested in those products which you are offering them for free. So just don't be lazy and take action and be patient.
And that's a wrap. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time.